Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox the X-Men Tornado V3. So this cube I think is from 3 years ago. A lot of cubers say this cube is quite old, but it's still a flagship from MOYU until this day. So I'm gonna unbox it today. Let me grab my scissors real quick. Okay. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the box. And you will see a cube and the accessory tool. Okay, this is the accessory tool. Let's look at it first. So there's some card and some paper and the towel, the cube setting tool, the bag, and this how to solve a cube. So let's take a quick look at the cube. Okay, this is a really nice box, and here's the cube. So out of the box is really controllable and also really fast. And this also has the corner to core magnet. I'm gonna take off this piece. Just give me a moment. So I take apart the cube, and here's the corner magnet, and here's the core magnet. So the corner has the spiderweb design. Let me there's a spiderweb design, and the edge also has some weird looking thing. I think this is a magnet string. So let's put back this cube. Okay, so now let's take a look how to adjust the spring tension. Just pop this out. So I think this is counterclockwise to tension the spring, and counterclockwise to tension the screw. Let's change back the setting real quick. So it's really easy to adjust the tension. And let's look at the magnet. Adjust. Now let's take a look how to adjust the magnet strength. I don't think you guys can see it. So there's the plus and the minus. So the plus is the stronger magnet strength, and the minus is the weakest magnet strength. I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see it. It's really hard to see. Just know that the left side is the weakest magnet and the right side is the stronger magnet. So this is just all of the box impression. I'm gonna make a full review on this cube. So subscribe if you want to see the full review on this X-Men Tornado V3 Flagship Edition.